Stop letting manual prompt engineering kill your momentum. Right now, teams are losing weeks hand-coding API calls, debugging orchestration logic, and wrestling distributed environments into submission. While competitors are stuck in week-long deployment cycles, fighting rate limits, patching brittle workflows, and chasing prompt drift, the top developers are operating differently. They've stopped thinking in prompts. They've started thinking in architecture. And that's where OpenClaw changes everything. Here's the reality. Manual prompt engineering has become the biggest bottleneck in modern AI development. Hard-coded API chains, fragile integrations, constant rewrites. Every deployment feels like rebuilding from scratch. Traditional development was built for static systems. AI systems are dynamic. When you try to manage distributed models, serverless functions, and multi-cloud environments manually, complexity explodes. The old model is manual labor. The new model is architectural automation. OpenClaw is built for that shift. It's a modular orchestration framework designed to integrate directly into your existing stack, Kubernetes clusters, serverless pipelines, distributed APIs, without forcing a complete rewrite. At its core is an orchestration engine that manages API routing, state persistence, and cross-service communication automatically. No glue code chaos, no fragile chains, just structured, scalable execution. And the result? Deployment cycles that once took 3 weeks can now happen in a single afternoon. Instead of debugging workflows, you deploy automated templates. Instead of stitching APIs manually, you connect modular components. Instead of hoping it scales, you watch it scale in real time. And here's what most teams get wrong. Automation doesn't mean losing control. With OpenClaw, you gain deeper visibility, granular logging, governance layers, real-time performance metrics. Even when API requests scale into the millions, performance remains measurable, optimized, and auditable. Speed without precision is chaos. OpenClaw delivers both. The future of AI engineering isn't about writing more prompts. It's about designing intelligent infrastructure that scales itself. Automated orchestration is the blueprint, and developers who master it now won't just keep up, they'll lead. If you're serious about scaling AI projects faster without sacrificing performance or technical integrity, it's time to stop building the hard way. Start architecting, start automating, start scaling intelligently, because the teams who automate orchestration today will dominate AI tomorrow.